Thank you. So this part of the work is that we are adding an extra column into our data set because part of the requirement is that we work out the bonus that each employee would get according to their ratings. We've agreed as a class that those employees that are not rated, that have poor rating, very poor rating, and average ratings should have 0% bonus. And we are yet to agree on what good ratings and very good ratings would have. So we're building this conditional column into the data set to give each employee their percentage bonus. So we started by saying that if the rating equals not rated, then 0. That will be a 0 there. Then we add plus. So we just continue repeating that. Equals very poor is the next one, I believe. It will be 0 again.
Very good now.
No, poor now.
Oh, sorry. Oh.
It will still be 0.
Average.
What are we giving average? 1?
No, 0.
0. So they are still in the same category.
They are actually.
Average.
Unfortunately.
On trial. Okay.
So the next one then would be good, then very good.
Hello, ma.
Yes.
Maybe alternatively, we could have just done for 2, for good and very good, then else 0.
Right.
Reduce the number of yes.
Yes. No, you are right. Yes, that would have been a more efficient way to do it because all of these ones fall under that category. Anyway.
So can I restart and cancel?
No, this is still right. This is still very right. And we can do both if we want. Well, that will not save us time. So let's carry on this route. But more efficiently, we could have just done very good and just said the rest, whatever is not within very good and good, should be 0. The only disadvantage to that is that what if we start to get ratings that are like excellent.
Excellent, yeah.
Which is not here right now. If we use the other method, excellent would fall under 0 as well, So we just have to weigh all the pros and cons and decide. So at the moment, let's do good first. Very good will be the last. There's a trailing space there before G. Okay. So what should we good? Well, what should we give good?
5%, maybe.
Did you say 5?
Yeah, I think 5.
5%, okay. They are stingy.
Bonus cannot be anyway. It depends on the nature of business anyway. If it's an investment bank, those ones are crazy bonuses.
Yeah, true. Very good. Then would be 10% or 7?
Maybe 10. No, so yeah.
10, okay. Yeah. All right. Else
Are
what?
we not going to put the percent sign in front of the 5?
And I'm thinking we shouldn't. We can deal with data type, because if you put the percent now, that's a symbol. It would want to treat these as text because you are adding a symbol to numbers. So it's going to throw that up for us like a problem when we are trying to do the data type. So let's leave it as number and then see how if we change it to percent when we do the data type. Yeah. Else maybe null, just the small letter null. Okay.
Or excellent, right? Can we
No.
know? Okay.
No.
Why did you say null? I just wanted to know the thought.
Leave it out because until we get the excellent, then we'll deal with it.
Because
But
we
if
have
whatever,
zero. So are you going to have zero and nulls in the...
yeah, null will still be fine to be treated like a number. That's why I said no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if there's a rule already in place for anyone that gets excellent, we don't have it in the data set yet. But if there is a percentage you give to excellent performers already, you can input it in at this point so that is catered for whenever it comes through into the data set. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
You're welcome. Okay, so if we try and validate this and look through the ratings, compare the ratings with the bonuses that we are getting, do they seem to align?
No, they don't align.
Very good is 10, good is 5, very good is 10. They do so far.
No, if you look at column 15, row 15,
Okay.
you could see 110 to 120 average.
What
So
do you
we
mean
have
110? The salary,
row.
row 15.
Oh, okay. Sorry. I'm tying it to salary. Sorry. No,
I know
no,
you are
no.
looking at salary
It should be
versus
performance.
bonus.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
it's the rating versus.
Yeah. Rating. Yeah. The
We are not
performance-based bonus.
applying yet. So
No, I didn't apply it. I saved.
you saved. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All
Okay.
right. Now we want this to be shown as percentage, don't we? So let's change that to percent and see if we'll be getting 10% or something else. Yes, where you went now, where you have the ABC 123. Let's change the data type to no, this is not what we want to see. Inside, no, where we have ABC, exactly with ABC 123 there. Yeah. Oh, we need data types. So we are
Change
not
type.
clicking, you're not clicking the
There is
input
change type
where
there,
you
yes.
did. Oh, okay, change type. Okay, I've not seen that before. Okay, so no. It's changed that to what? 1,000. I thought that would happen. Okay.
Okay, it should
So,
have been 0.5. Yeah.
okay, so let's go back into,
Okay.
yeah, no, you're right. Let's go back in, no, don't remove it. No, go back into the additional column, the second additional column, into the formula, yeah, into the clock wheel, and we change the clock wheel beside it. We want to enter the formula.
Where
You
is
know
that?
how you go, no, not there. You know how you go into
That's
the
that
workbook job.
gearbox beside the data. That gearbox beside the additional column 1.
Keep
Okay,
coming
this
down
one.
on the right.
Apply steps.
Oh, okay.
That gear, yeah, that
Okay.
one.
Yeah, that one. Okay. So instead of 5, it should be 0.5. And the other one should be 0.1 as well. Okay, so that should solve the problem now. So if we go down to change type, we'll see what we should be saying, I believe.
Sorry, good evening. Is 0.5 not greater than 0.1?
Oh, sorry, 0.05. Sorry.
0.5. See, Matt.
Sorry,
Thank
thanks.
you.
Thanks.
That's why it's bringing
Adeleke.
50%. Yeah,
0.05.
0.05, definitely. So let's go back
0.05.
in again.
Sorry.
Yeah.
No. Where
No,
in
okay.
where you went to in the formula? Yeah, there. So we just add a 0 before the 5. Yeah. That should no, not for the 1, just the 5. Now we are not done yet. We need to calculate how much they are getting, the actual bonus amount now. Okay, we know the percentage for the bonus, the actual bonus amount now. We need to calculate that. So we need to multiply the bonus by the salary, that percentage bonus by the salary to get to know how much is actually being added onto their salary. Okay. So if we click on the salary, then control and click on the bonus. Go to the change type before we do this step, because the last step first, because we're about to insert it in the wrong place. So, okay.
So we should add column again.
No, well, under add column, we can just, because we are multiplying. So if you go under standard up there, standard and look for multiply, you see.
But
So
we can still use custom column for
you
this.
can if
Okay.
you can if you want. You can. So we can see that the first person who collects 88,050, because they are getting 10% due to the fact that their performance rating was very good, is getting 8,805 as the bonus. So the actual amount that is going to be taken home now, we need that as well, according to. So let's change the multiplication to bonus amount or something.
Bonus what?
Bonus amount. Okay. So now we need to add the two, salary and a bonus amount together, so that we know how much they are taking home. So again, we click that and then control. Oh, you've controlled already. So standard and just add. What name should we give this? Should we just say total or take home pay, or what? What should we give it?
Yeah,
So salary plus bonus, something.
Okay, at least that would make sense to whoever is looking at it.
Okay, then again, I just want to quickly add that when carrying out the last two steps, where we multiplied the bonus with the salary, we need to ensure that we select the add column tab. The transform and add column the two tabs could perform that exact function.
Yeah.
But so that a new column will be created, we need to remember that the add column tab is selected before we carry out the operation. Because we are not transforming the two columns, we are adding a new column.
That's right.
So, yes, I just thought to add that here.
Yeah, thank you. That's really, it's necessary to add that. Anytime you know that whatever you are carrying out needs an extra column, perform that function under add column. But if you don't need an extra function, extra column for it, then it can be done under transform, because if you check the functions on transform and add column, most of them are the same. The only difference is under add column, you are adding an extra column to get your result. Under transform, it's about to change your original column to the results that you desire. Okay, so that salary is let's just use the plus sign, shift and equal to, yeah, and salary plus that bonus now. Okay, I think that settles it for us. Well done, everybody. Okay, so we've just solved the problem. We didn't have what we needed. We created it. And now I believe we have a complete set of data to be able to actually give the result that they desire or they require. Okay, so at this point, we can close and apply. So we'll have those extra columns brought in as well when it's completely loaded. Okay, save. I'm not seeing those. Is it still? If you go into the table view, because those extra ones that you did, that we just did now, they don't seem to be brought in. Why? Okay, let's go into transform again and see what actually happened. Oh, sorry, they are not extra tables, are they? They are within one table. Sorry, I misunderstood myself there. Okay, that's fine. I think we are fine. So if we close and apply now. And then if we click on save, if we click on employee salary, where those extra columns are created, we should find them there. Here we go. So that looks ready to go. And then from tomorrow, by God's grace, we can start creating our visuals, and we can start, giving them what they asked us of us, the dashboard. So I believe this work has been saved, and I believe we'll all, thank God it's recorded, so we are all going to add this bit into our work so that we can all be on the same page by tomorrow. The beauty of it would be to see how each one of us decide to design our dashboard. We are all going to do the dashboard together, but the actual, choosing your color and making it all look eye-catchy will be left as individual work. We can all decide how we want that to be, and then we can showcase that. And again, the beauty of that is that we don't have to show and tell from the start, because we all did this work together anyway. We will just be showcasing our dashboards and admiring the work of our hands at the end of it. Do we have any questions? We can stop recording. Thank you very